giving a quick look at this fridge here. This is a quick look of how we got it when it was unboxed, ready to go. There is a freezer and a fridge size, which is definitely what we were looking for. One of the great features that we absolutely love about this is its ease of cleaning. So sometimes with these type of black of finish appliances, there's fingerprints or stuff that easily gets on the unit. All we use is a microfiber cloth, and this unit cleans beautifully. So I definitely think that is a major plus, especially as often as we use this one. Super easy to clean, super easy to install, and you're good to go.